Hey guys, it's Friday, and I've got one question that people seem to be confused about our products. And so one question said, "Hey, can you guys go ahead and do a video or answer the question on explaining the differences between the candy concentrate, the candy, the candy midcoat, and the urethane candy?" So we're gonna go ahead and go through that all today, right now. So the concentrate, what it is, it's concentrate. It's just a concentrated pigment, transparent pigment. Once you go ahead and add it to a carrier at an 8-to-1 ratio or more, as far as more carrier, because 8-to-1 is all you need. If you go anything more than 8 parts carrier to 1 part concentrate, if you start adding too much concentrate, it's going to go ahead and it's going to give you some bad effects. And you possibly can end up going ahead and overloading the resins in the carrier, where you're going to have something where it's going to start to peel back, basically just peel up. So 8-to-1 is the max you want to do as far as the lowest ratio you want to do. You could do 16-to-1 if your mixing cups have that ratio. Just the more carrier you put in, the less concentrate you add, the more coat you're going to put down to kind of get that darker effect. At an 8-to-1 ratio with our triple C intercoat, and then a 1-to-1 ratio on the reducer to that mixture, you've got a perfect thing. 2 to 3 coats, and you're in and out, done. So now we're going to go through the concentrate is that. Now we're going to go ahead and go through the candy. Candy is nothing more than just the triple C intercoat here, and the concentrate added to it, and then you get like what we call premix. Basically all you do is reduce and spray. So that's the candy. Candy's already made for you. It's at an 8-to-1 ratio. So you can order the concentrate and order the triple C intercoat and make your own. Or so we have or you get the candy that's already been mixed for you. And we've got that one in 4-ounce and 8-ounce bottles. The concentrate in 2-ounce and 8-ounce bottles. So concentrate 2-8, premix or candy in 4-ounce, which is this bottle here, and a quart. And then now we're gonna move on to the next one. The next one would be the, I don't have anything up here as far as that. I just made some up earlier today. So here's the blueberry candy midcoat. You'll notice a little bit of difference. If I can get it to zoom on this and put me out of focus. You can see the little bit of sparkle there. That's the added pearls. So with the candy midcoat, it's supposed to go over a solid color base coat. So say you grab our super white, give you a nice bright, vibrant color. You go with our deep black, start to subtle, bring that down. You go with a gray, another effect. So what happens is with the candy midcoat, it is candy, reduce and spray, but there's an added pearl to it to kind of give you that sparkle that you would normally have from a metallic base coat. So that one only comes in quartz. It doesn't come in anything else other than quartz. So that one is, you've got, matter of fact, I got a light here. So if I can get this, there you go. You can see a little bit of sparkle there on the edge. This is just what residue from left over from me just go ahead and creating some. And this is our blueberry concentrate, or blueberry candy midcoat is what this one was. And like I said, that is concentrate pearls added to the triple C intercoat at an 8-to-1 ratio. All you do is you grab that quart, pour it out, put in 32 ounces of reducer, and go ahead and spray 2 to 3 coats, and you're all set and ready to go. What we don't have in stock right now, because we're still testing, is the urethane candy. That's what people call the only true candy. And what it is the concentrate added to a 2K clear carrier. So this is one of our sample pieces. We already sent out one to somebody else, trying to get time ratios and different things like that. Once we get that down, once we can write a TDS sheet, then we'll go ahead and offer this as well. This is mainly for the guys that are doing the high dollar rides, that they're all going one color. And they prefer to use clear coat as a carrier rather than just the intercoat clear. So this will come in quarts. This is a pint here, but we split a quart up as far as the clear coat we're testing for it. Once we can get that down, it'll only be available in quarts. Then you get an activator as well. So it'll be 2 parts of the candy, the urethane candy, and then 1 part of activator for this. So this one is just activator, no reducer, no nothing else. That's all you're gonna have. That'll be the urethane candy when we go ahead and get that one in. And let's go through prices real quick, and I'll go ahead and add those in. I'll get that right quick while I'm actually got you on here. So. As you can tell, I do this on the fly. So we've got candy paint, candy midcoat. So the urethane candy itself will be a quart, not a pint. You'll get the quart and you'll get the activator for $79.99 per quart. So if you need a gallon to do a car, that'll be 4 quarts. You'll have 4 quarts. You'll have at 2 to 1, 4 pints. So you'll have 2 quarts of activator. So you'll end up having 5. If you order 4 quarts, you'll have 5 quarts of a sprayable material. So basically just add an extra quart. That's what's going to be your activator. For every quart that you put in, every 2 quarts you put in, it'll be 1 quart of activator. And then the candy itself, which is this here, candy is $12.99 for the 4-ounce bottles, $52.99, I believe. Yes, $52.99 for the 32 ounce, the quarts. And then the candy midcoat with the extra pearl, that is going to be $61.99 because of the added pearl. It's a little bit more expensive. So there's your options. You've got concentrate in 2-ounce bottles, $12.99, 8-ounce bottles, $41.99. Then you've got the candy, which is reduce and spray, at $12.99 for the 4-ounce bottle, $52.99 for the 32-ounce quart. The candy midcoat, which is candy with an added pearl, that is $61.99 per quart, reduce and spray, 1 to 1. And then the urethane candy, which will be 1 quart of clear, or 1 quart of candy, and 1 pint of activator, that'll be $71.99. That's the differences. You've got multiple differences. The only one that's different, that's really different, you're gonna go candy. You'll go candy if you're just trying to spray over a metallic base coat. You'll go candy mid coat if you're going over a solid color base coat. Then you'll go urethane candy if you're doing an overall and prefer to put the clear, the urethane candy on top if you're used to that part. That's it. It's very simple. It's very easy. All it's explained on the website. If you have any other issues, let us know. Have a good weekend.